In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export source code files from Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project in the browser-based editor and download the source files you need quickly and safely. First, open the Emergent AI app in your browser and sign in if prompted. You'll land on the home area where your projects are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace, then select the project you want to export from. Opening the right project here ensures the files you download later are the ones you actually intend to work with locally. Inside your project, look for the area labeled Code. This is the view that shows your project's files and folders. Click Code to enter that view. From there, you'll see an option called Open in Browser. Go ahead and click it. This launches a full browser-based editor experience that feels similar to a desktop code editor. Give it a moment to load. Larger projects may take a few extra seconds. Once the editor opens, you'll see your project's file tree on the left and a main editing pane on the right. This is where you can preview and navigate your entire code base. Expand folders to locate the exact files you want to export. It helps to scan the structure first so you know which directories contain the components, pages, or configuration files you're after. To export a file, right-click on it in the file tree and choose Download. Your browser will either prompt you to pick a save location or automatically place the file in your default downloads folder. If your browser blocks downloads or asks for permission, allow it so the transfer can proceed. Then repeat this action for each file you need. Downloading is done per file in this view, so it's a good idea to keep track as you go and name or organize them in a way that mirrors your project's folder structure on your computer. If a download doesn't start, try right-clicking again or refreshing the editor tab. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, as incomplete downloads can lead to corrupted files. For clarity later, consider keeping related files together when you save them locally so your components, styles, and configuration remain easy to locate. And that's the process. Open your project, head to Code, choose Open in Browser, then right-click and download the files you need one by one. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.